is now closed. So here we go. We are walking around the shop. And I've got the mic on, so hopefully this mic is working really well. Better than the built-in mic. So this is a router table. I'll explain the use of that router table to you maybe later, maybe not today. But it's like a mini shaper, small shaper. We can use a router instead of a big old shaper motor, but this is essentially the exact same principle. This big old horizontal belt sander. 18-inch bandsaw, bunch of clamps. You see a clamp rack here. You can't have too many clamps. First rule of thumb in cabinet making, you cannot have too many clamps. Nor can you be too serious about your dust collection. This is a jointer. This is a this is an 8-inch jointer, which is about minimum for a cabinet shop and millwork shop this size. It's a 24-inch surface planer. Planer or surface planer. Another guy, just an absolute essential. You'll notice there's a lot of hoses and there's a lot of air lines running overhead all over the place with drops. Those are all fed by compressed air from a big old Rand compressor in that shed outside. And then walking around, like I said, we got a whole lift of decorative specialties doors here. Here's our little project right here. This door we're going to build a cabinet for. There's the material we're going to use, just some scrap material. Plywood bin, scrap plywood, full sheets of plywood. We usually use a pre-fin maple to build our cabinets. We're going to use an unfinished maple to build these. Bunch of laminate tailings, plastic laminate, high pressure laminate, solid stock racks, the Swiss watch of panel saws, a Strebig. You'll be seeing this in action, just like you're going to see this new edge bander in action. Automatic edge bander, that's right. All digital controlled, CNC as well. It has vacuum, but it's not hooked up, it's brand new. That's Victor, you'll be meeting him later. Some boxes Victor's working on. That looks like a paneled finished end to me. Yeah, it is. All right, we got a drill press over here, another drill press, and then over here is an unbelievably versatile tool that's used all the time in the shop, and that's a Blum hinge boring and insertion machine. Okay, that's it for now.